How to delete Instagram post. If you want to delete Instagram post, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now it depends upon whether you have uploaded reels or other generic type of photos. First you open the Instagram app and then you make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen and you will see all of your posts here. So if you want to delete a certain post, select that post, tap on the three dots option there. Then you can see the trash icon at the bottom that says delete. If you tap on it, it will be deleted. Now another thing is you can delete multiple posts if you have got too much and you want to delete all. Tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then from there you want to simply go to the option that says your activity. From your activity you'll find all these options. So you want to go to the ones that says post. So go to post. Here you'll find all the posts. Tap the select button, select the post that you would like to delete multiply, and after you've done that you'll be able to delete this post multiple times as well. And I hope this video helped you as to how you can delete posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.